Okay, we've got our left from back piece cut out. Yeah, I went ahead and marked them. Come out here tomorrow or something. You having to spend 5 seconds wondering which way went which way. If I can just figure out what I'm doing here. We've got this cut out. Here we go. Get it back on 3.5, and it is underneath the level, just perfectly almost flush with it, just like the other one. And it is not touching the bottom now at 3.5, which is what we were going for. Next step is going to be drilling these out, putting a rivet in them before we run braces, our top braces back to the back. And we're of course going to brace these because we'll have to going down, kind of like an arch out to the middle right here. But that will not be right now. We will do that after we get the top put on. The actual aluminum, I mean, not the wood. We matched our rivet size to our drill bit just to make sure the rivet will go through the hole. Now remember, on these here, we want to drill these as low as we can get to the bottom while keeping it, you know, with enough aluminum to be safe. Ow. Okay, that will do it. Now it is time to go mark through these holes into where we're actually going to put the holes in the boat on those little braces going across, and then we can drill them out. Alright, got our first one marked out. I just put a, you know, nothing's going to go through such a tiny hole here to mark with. I just put a put this up right here and put a little transfer punch. Find one right here through this little hole, whichever end it is, right through there, and held it up there and just gave it a few taps with a hammer. And that, if I can get it focused, is our little mark, which I may punch again with a little bit bigger punch to help the drill bit get started. Time to move the measuring tape over there and do the same thing with the right side one. Holes are drilled. It is time for us to get some rivets in these. I'm going to put this top piece on now. Got it setting like this. I can go ahead and move this now. It's irrelevant. I want to level this piece up right here, straight up and down. Just lay a level on the side of it here. And I got it setting like this because I'm going to put a rivet through here, through here. This back here, this out of the way, I'm going to cut this much of the edge off so this will lay down flat. That way I can rivet into here through the seat. Well, there is the finished product of cutting this top brace here. I've done mark where I need to drill. Over here also, if I could find it. All that's marked out. I'm going to go ahead and drill this one out, if I can find it with my finger. Then I'm going to drill this one out first, and then I can put it back up on the side of this one, level this this piece here up, and then just punch through there and then drill it on out. I'm going to do that, and it shall be mounted down a little bit more sturdy. Not very much at all, actually, until I get it cross braced, but then I'll go over here and do the exact same thing with that one. This one here was a, you know, too hard to drill out because it's loose, so just use the puncher here. Well, not too sure how great the camera picks up, but this is what we've gotten done so far tonight, and it will be the last thing for the day. Got these two braced on. Got this one on, got these two up. Tomorrow I will go ahead and start putting some braces across. I'm going to do a cross for the hatch. Put one here somewhere, wherever we're going to get the hatch to be. I'll figure out the dimensions and put another one, you know, in front of it. May just use the one up here across for the front of the hatch. to stop it, you know, from going back down through itself. Not sure yet, but need to do that, and we'll of course get these cross braced so they're stable. I got some play in it right now. Well, all for now.